Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Devon. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, August 24, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Devon? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 11, 2022, our system ranks the Devon stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 4.060. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 12.4% since we first told you to buy Devon 10 days ago. This is an average return of 1.24% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Devon, our last headline reads, Green Day on Wednesday for Devon stock after gaining 2.22%. The Devon stock price gained 2.22% on the last trading day, Wednesday, August 24, 2022, rising from $70.88 to $72.45, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.55% from a day low at $70.95 to a day high of $72.76. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.65% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -3 million shares, and in total, 13 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $928.80 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $79.40, and the lowest price was $27.40. Right now the price is 8.75%, or $6.95, below 52-week high at $79.40, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -12.47% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -45.42% and -12.47%. The 12-month trend indicates a 73.97% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 33.61% and 106.26%. This equals a price between $96.80 and $149.44 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Devon stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Devon stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Devon. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Devon stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $67.99 and $59.56. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, July 6, 2022, and so far it has risen 42.06%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Devon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $58.02 and $56.70. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Devon finds support just below today's level at $58.02. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $56.70 and $55.11. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.81 between high and low, or 2.55%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.89%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Devon. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Devon currently has a price-earning ratio of 8.67. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Devon meets first resistance at $74.06. If you do not hold Devon shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Devon finds first level of support at $58.02, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Devon is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 5, 2022, Cameron Dennis C. made an inside sell of 4,537 of common stock. On June 14, 2022, Williams Valerie made an inside sell of 7,000 of common stock. On June 13, 2022, Fox & G made an inside sell of 2,150 of common stock. On June 8, 2022, Williams Valerie made an inside buy of 2,952 of common stock. On June 8, 2022, Radke Dwayne C. made an inside buy of 2,952 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -13.237. In total, the insiders bought 865,162 and sold 1,093,240 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $70.51, -2.68%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 91 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 35 days ago. Is Devon stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 25th, we expect Devon to open down -40 cents and start trading at $72.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.